Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share with you this makeup tutorial inspired in Natti Natasha, and it is a very simple but glamorous makeup. So the first thing that you will be doing, or that I did, was to hydrate my skin. Right after that I am going to prime my face, and then I do like to color correct. I had a bad day, I had a lot of breakouts, so I thought it was a perfect time to show you what I do to cover it, and practically color correcting and using a pore type of primer will help me just to cover all of those imperfections. Once I'm done with that, I am going to follow up with my foundation, and I am applying it with a beauty blender, and of course I will be applying some concealer on those areas where I need it the most. To seal everything in, I will be using a translucent powder, and I am going to pat it on the skin. Right after that I am going to apply a setting spray to make sure everything stays in place. Once my eyebrows are in, I am going to use neutral colors, and for the lid of the eye I'm using this vanilla color. With a blending brush I will be applying a darker brown color on the crease of the eye. I will also be applying a chocolate color right on the bottom lashes. And I decided to use a pop of color, so for the liner I went ahead and used this gold one. I know in her video she didn't do this, she just used a black liner, but again I wanted the pop of color. For the contouring, I am practically just going to bronze my face very subtle, and I will be using a subtle blush as well. I will be applying highlight on the bridge of my nose and also on my cheekbones, as well as the tear dot of my eyes. I decided to emphasize that liner by using a black liner right on the root of the lashes, and then now I'm prepping my lashes for falsies. And again, I don't look by any means like Natti Natasha, but I really do like how her makeup is done, so I wanted to give you my version of that makeup. Now for lashes I'm using these ones, and this is what we have so far. Before I apply the red lipstick, I needed to apply some of this lip balm because my lips are extremely dry, and I'm using a liquid lip balm. And to finalize everything, I am going to set my makeup once again with the setting spray, and this is the final look. Well my friends, I hope that you like this makeup tutorial, and like always I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.